Daybed covers are essential for transforming a functional daybed into a stylish and comfortable piece of furniture. Whether used in guest rooms, living areas, or multi-purpose spaces, these covers provide aesthetic appeal while protecting the mattress and enhancing usability. Our methodology for testing and comparing these products included evaluating material quality, design, ease of maintenance, and overall value for money. List number: Comfort Spaces Daybed Cover Luxe Double-Sided Quilting. The Comfort Spaces Kiena Daybed Cover Set is an affordable option for those seeking simplicity and functionality. Featuring a solid taupe color and luxurious quilting design, this set includes a daybed cover, 3 standard shams, and a bed skirt, all made from lightweight, hypoallergenic microfiber fabric. It's designed for all-season use, offering breathability and comfort. Its machine-washable nature ensures easy maintenance, making it suitable for busy households. Performance-wise, the Comfort Spaces set excels in durability and ease of care. The microfiber material is soft and lightweight, making it ideal for summer use or layering in colder months. However, the solid taupe design may lack visual impact for those seeking a bold aesthetic. User reviews highlight its practicality and comfort, but some note that the fabric may wrinkle easily if not properly cared for. List 2. Madison Park Daybed Cover Set Damask Quilted Cover for Daybeds. The Madison Park Damask Daybed Cover Set stands out as the premium option in this comparison. Its elegant design features a quilted overscaled motif with scalloped edges and includes a decorative pillow for added charm. The brushed microfiber shell is filled with cotton for enhanced softness and warmth. This 6-piece set includes a daybed cover, 3 shams, a bed skirt, and a decorative pillow, making it a complete solution for daybed styling. In terms of performance, this set delivers exceptional comfort and durability. The cotton filling provides a plush feel, while the scalloped edges add a touch of sophistication. It's ideal for all seasons, though its decorative elements may require more careful handling during cleaning. User reviews praise its high-quality construction and aesthetic appeal, but the higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. List 3. Linen Plus 5-piece Daybed Cover Set Quilted Geometric Bedspread New Gray. The Linen Plus Daybed Cover Set is the budget-friendly option in this comparison, offering a quilted geometric design in a neutral gray color. This 5-piece set includes a bedspread, bed skirt, and 3 pillow shams, all made from 100% microfiber. Its machine-washable fabric ensures easy care, making it a practical choice for everyday use. While the Linen Plus set is affordable, its performance is somewhat limited compared to higher-end options. The microfiber material is lightweight, but may lack the plushness of cotton-filled alternatives. The geometric design is modern and versatile, but it may not suit those seeking more intricate patterns. User reviews highlight its value for money, though some mention that the fabric feels thinner than expected. List number: Madison Park Daybed Covered Double-Sided Quilting Casual Design All-Season Bedding Set with Bed Skirt. The Madison Park Yosemite Daybed Cover Set offers a vibrant and colorful design with shades of purple, teal, and earth tones. This reversible 6-piece set includes a daybed cover, 3 shams, a bed skirt, and a decorative pillow, making it perfect for those who want an updated look for their guest room. The polyester fabric is soft, durable, and designed for all-season use. This set's standout feature is its reversible design, allowing users to switch between 2 aesthetic options. The polyester material is durable and easy to maintain, though it may not offer the same breathability as cotton-filled alternatives. User reviews praise its vibrant colors and versatility, but some mention that the decorative pillow is smaller than expected. List 5. Fancy Collection 5-piece Daybed Cover Modern Reversible Gray New Medallion Blue. The Fancy Collection Daybed Cover Set combines affordability with modern design. Featuring a reversible medallion pattern in blue, this 5-piece set includes a bedspread, bed skirt, and 3 pillowcases. Its machine-washable fabric ensures easy maintenance, making it suitable for busy households. This set's reversible design adds versatility, allowing users to switch between 2 patterns. The microfiber material is lightweight and soft, but may lack the durability of higher-end options. User reviews highlight its stylish design and practicality, though some note that the fabric feels thinner and less plush than expected.